These stocks have the most to lose from Trump's push to lower electricity prices. Trump administration's plan to lower electricity prices could negatively impact Constellation Energy and Vistra stocks, causing a drop in their share value. Busy now opens MamaCrowd equity round to fund micro meetings for business professionals. Italian startup Busy now launches an equity crowdfunding round on MamaCrowd to finance its networking app, Busy Moments, offering micro meetings for business professionals. The campaign aims to raise €150,000 minus €400K at a €3 million pre-money valuation. Cloth wraps treated with dirt cheap insecticide cut malaria cases in babies. Dirt cheap insecticide treated clothes cut malaria in babies by 2/3. Study shows oil drops as Trump calms Iran fears. Tech stocks slide in Asia. President Trump's comments easing Iran tensions cause oil prices to fall, while tech stocks experience a decline in Asia's markets. The financial elite aren't worried about a stock market bubble yet. But you can't afford to be so complacent. Despite the financial elite's nonchalance, investors should remain vigilant for potential stock market bubble risks, as bull markets inevitably conclude. This warning is particularly relevant following the Davos conference. Blackstone, General Atlantic-backed Liftoff Mobile files for IPO. Mobile app marketing platform Liftoff Mobile, backed by Blackstone and General Atlantic, files for an IPO, aiming to leverage banker support for growth. Public enterprises. Awqaf ministers discuss boosting cooperation to enhance asset utilization. Egypt's public enterprises and Awqaf ministers discussed boosting cooperation to enhance asset utilization, focusing on reviving and investing in historical assets for economic growth and preserving cultural heritage. The partnership aims to support the tourism and hospitality sectors and align with Egypt's vision 2030. Michael Moody, impacting MIT through leadership in auditing. Michael J. Moody, MIT's auditor since 2014, retires after a 40-year career in auditing. He guided the audit division through transformative initiatives, improved processes, and fostered collaboration. Notably, he implemented new audit reporting, data analysis, and AI cohort strategies. Chris Capital gets CCI's nod to acquire stake in Nash Industries. Private equity firm Chris Capital receives CCI's approval to acquire a stake in Nash Industries, a company specializing in box build solutions and metal stamping. The deal, requiring approval due to its size, is aimed at promoting fair competition. Shadowfax sets price band of ₹118 to ₹124 per share for IPO. Flipkart-backed logistics company Shadowfax has set a price band of ₹118-124 per share for its IPO, with a total offer size of ₹1,907.2 crore. The offering includes a fresh issue of shares and an offer for sale by investors. Listing expected on January 28. Elon Musk drops a surprise curveball on Nvidia, Yahoo Finance. Tesla CEO Elon Musk reveals unexpected AI-5 self-driving tech shift, potentially impacting Nvidia. Elon Musk accused of making up math to squeeze $134 billion from OpenAI. Microsoft, Ars Technica. Elon Musk accused of manipulating math to claim $134 billion from OpenAI and Microsoft, potentially undervaluing ChatGPT inventors' contributions. OpenAI's 2026 feat focus is practical adoption, The Verge. OpenAI aims for practical AI adoption in 2026. investing in infrastructure to bridge the gap between AI capabilities and real-world applications. 8 cars more reliable than a Toyota Camry, Jalopnik. New report finds 8 cars boasting higher reliability ratings than the Toyota Camry, challenging its long-standing reputation. People are sharing the foods that have quietly vanished from society without anyone realizing. BuzzFeed. Quietly vanished. Foods once common in restaurants and supermarkets are becoming scarce. One user shares a once ubiquitous item now hard to find. Grok's sexualized images test the limits of AI oversight, Bloomberg.com. Elon Musk downplays concerns over AI-generated explicit images amid global outcry. Bitcoin steadies at $93,000 as market braces for a bumpy week in trade war rhetoric from Davos. CoinDesk. Crypto market braces for volatility amid tariff headlines and trade war rhetoric from Davos, according to a Kraken executive. The fight for Warner Bros. Is Paramount's most embarrassing moment yet, Gizmodo. Paramount's pursuit of Warner Bros. Acquisition sparks controversy, raising questions about justification. Asian stocks face wary start as tariff feud grows. Markets wrap, Bloomberg.com. Trade tensions escalate as President Trump threatens tariffs, causing Asian stocks to start wary and treasuries to fall. This comes after a rally in investments in artificial intelligence. Trump's crusade against big tech's energy spending highlights a problem with no easy answers. MarketWatch. Trump's concerns over big tech's energy spending escalate due to AI-induced grid overload, highlighting a complex problem with no immediate solutions.